So hey guys, I'm back with my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to root and install TWRP in Gionee 4. So first of all, you need to copy the link from the description and paste it to your Chrome browser. After pasting it, a captcha page will be loaded. We have to check the captcha box to proceed to the destination page. So select the storefronts. After it, tap on verify. Then click here to continue. Wait for the other page to load. Wait for a while. Let it generate the link. And here's ready. Tap on get link. Here's your link and the media file has opened. Wait for the page to load. It's taking a long time. Here's your 3 files. Tap on arrow. Then simply tap on download, so it will be downloaded. I will not download this because I have downloaded the 3 files already. I'll show you how to download this. Tap on download, then tap on download, green download, so it will be downloaded. So after downloading these 3 files, locate the files which has been downloaded and wherever it has been kept, open it and extract them. First of all, SP flash tool and then TWRP recovery. While it's been extracted, you can place your update.zip file to your memory card and place your memory card to your phone. So it's been extracted. Open SP flash tool, search for flash tool.txt, right click, run as administrator, and then tap on scatter loading. Android scatter.txt. I'll show you where it is. It's in the TWRP folder which has been extracted. So guys, open it, select it, and you can see here only recovery section is being checked. Make sure it is be checked. So after selecting, simply tap on download, and after pressing download you have to connect your phone to the PC via USB cable. So it's been tap on download and it's been started, and your TWRP flashed. Cross had booted it into TWRP and it's been done. So here locate the roots file and swipe to install. So swiping this will install your root and your phone will access root. After this, tap on reboot system. Wait for the phone to switch on. Here search for Super Zoo, and here you can see here's your Super Zoo and your Gionee M4 is been rooted. Congratulations.